Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to forensic science and criminology review. In this video, we'll explore forensic science, 10 items review questions, set 5a, to help you sharpen your legal knowledge, enhance your investigative skills, and boost your confidence for your upcoming exams. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Test your expertise in forensic science. Strengthen your understanding of criminal investigations. Prepare for success in your criminology journey. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and turn on notifications bell for more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, forensic techniques, and in-depth legal insights. Let's learn, review, and excel together. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What should be prioritized in the collection of evidence? A. Prevent loss, destruction, or contamination. B. Determine the number of personnel needed. C. How responsibilities will be assigned. D. Provide an overview of the entire crime scene. It is a process wherein the investigator requires the personnel to follow procedures to ensure scene safety and evidence integrity. A. Team composition. B. Contamination control. C. Documentation. D. Collection of evidence. It is a process wherein the number of personnel is determined and how responsibilities will be assigned. A. Team composition. B. Contamination control. C. Documentation. D. Collection of evidence. The process wherein the investigator compiles the evidence into a case file. A. Final survey of the crime scene. B. Release of the crime scene. C. Documentation of the crime scene. D. Final survey of the crime scene. The process that ensures that the evidence has been collected and the scene has been processed prior to release. A. Final survey of the crime scene. B. Documentation of the crime scene. C. Preservation of the evidence. D. Contamination control. The process that will ensure the safety of the injured. A. Initial response. B. Emergency care. C. Safety procedure. D. Turnover. The process wherein the search should be very systematic for the reconstruction of the crime. A. Conduct of a detailed search. B. Documentation of the scene. C. Record and collect physical evidence. D. Final survey of the crime scene. A cautious walkthrough of the crime scene. A. Preparation. B. Basic premise. C. Approaching the scene. D. Preliminary survey of the scene. Assume possible evidence that can/will be found. A. Evaluate physical evidence possibilities. B. Preparation. C. Approaching the scene. D. Documentation of the scene. The process wherein measurements are taken to measure the distance of objects at the crime scene. A. Videotaping. B. Photography. C. Release of the crime scene. D. Sketching of the crime scene. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.